Let's see how our engineers harness NX CAD, formerly known as Unigraphics, to embed crucial data, enhancing value for our customers. The powerful NX capabilities drive efficiency across our shop floor. Our models use specific colors that correspond to a comprehensive chart, conveying crucial information about tolerances, fit, and function to all team members. As we explore the 3D model, you'll notice the wealth of embedded information in each assembly. This includes part names, descriptions, materials, and vendor details. Any team member can easily access this data, identifying the material source and correlating color codes with specific fit and functions. This comprehensive approach ensures that crucial information is always at our fingertips, streamlining our workflow and enhancing collaboration. When a customer purchases a design from Anderson Global, they receive a fully detailed model that's ready for tool building. This comprehensive 3D model includes every minute detail, from spring washers and fittings to all locators. We ensure that the digital model precisely represents how we want the final product to leave our shop and be delivered to the customer. This level of detail eliminates any ambiguity on the production floor, ensuring a smooth manufacturing process. Our NX software allows us to create specialized tools that extract critical information. With just a click of a button, we can generate a comprehensive parts list right within the workspace. While the full functionality is exclusive to NX users, the embedded data, including color coding for tolerances and other vital details, remains intact in the model. This ensures that even without NX, users can access essential information about each component. After purchasing the design, our customers benefit from our secure storage and continuous access. This comprehensive model serves as a valuable resource for both parties. If manufacturing issues arise, customers with in-house capabilities can thoroughly examine the model themselves. Alternatively, we can investigate specific concerns on their behalf, leveraging the detailed information embedded in the design. This approach ensures swift problem-solving and maintains design integrity throughout the manufacturing process. If you'd like to know more, please reach out to us. You can learn more about Anderson Global at www.andersonglobal.com.